You guys, so today I'm going to do a review of the Nest Thermostat E. The Nest Thermostat E is this white one. It came out after the original one, with the stainless look. This is a little bit softer. I think it looks a little bit better on my walls than the other one would have looked, which was a little bit more modern looking. This thermostat comes with this faceplate, which, believe it or not, I did not know when I installed it. I actually installed the thermostat and had this old square spot from the paint around my old one, but luckily found this guy and in the bottom of the package. So don't make the same mistake I did. But overall, I really like this thermostat. I actually don't use much of the smart features on it, like the automatic settings or learning features. I basically use it for app-based and Alexa control. For instance, if I get, say cold in the middle of the night, I'll ask Alexa to turn the heat up or something along those lines. Or I'm actually gone for a month at a time for work, and I'll set my AC up a little bit higher while I'm gone, just so it doesn't work quite as hard. But in the summertime, it'll be pretty hot and take a little bit longer to cool down. Before I actually come home, I'll actually get on my phone, check the app, and go ahead and turn the AC down some, so it'll be cooling before I get home, maybe a day prior. It has some great features for the learning stuff that might cater to you. It didn't really work for me, but I love using the app. There's a lot of information given, and it also has a heat and cool feature right there, where you can actually set two different temperatures and it'll maintain in between those temperatures. It tells you the weather throughout the day for your area because it is Wi-Fi based. There's a lot of neat features to it. Overall, I like pretty much any of these Nest products. I'm really interested in purchasing some of the cameras maybe next, but they really did their homework. They have a really nice functional app, and this is probably one of my favorite smart home features.